Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday, August 11th trading day. Hope you're well. What's going on, Nathaniel, Child of God, Uncle Joseph, Sadar, Trader LG, Arnar, Mondi, Viking, Angia. Hope you're feeling better today. Pro J, X Unexpected, Cigar J, Robert, Sophia, Impulse, VK, Salvatore, David, KNO, Cal, good morning, Taco, Amp. You guys know what we're going to do, right? I know the market's about to open in 5 seconds, but let's pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for today. Thank you for the day that your grace is new every morning. Thank you that we can trust in you because you're good no matter what the market does, and you're good no matter what the circumstances in life are, for you are good. Help us to abide in your grace today. Help us to love and love one another, for that's what you call us to do. And we ask for your mercy. Lead us and guide us today. In your precious and mighty name, Jesus, we pray. Amen. All right. So, semiconductor still pretty weak, right? 3 red days in a row. And we got CPI and PPI coming up rest of this week. Tomorrow CPI, right? AMD looks like a distribution lower kind of look. So semiconductor's not looking pretty good here, okay? Nvidia's got the gap up yesterday. They got this news about getting new let me hold on a second. Let me just I got $700 on this one. It's gonna do this one with basically no drawdown. So gonna go no drawdown. Gonna start with that one first. We're back into yesterday's range now. Yesterday we were at the highs and 2 days highs, and right now we're trying to hold that range, and it's still pretty weak. VIX is slightly higher. Triple Q's daily chart is looking a little bit vulnerable. If we don't stop popping higher. Google's coming down again. So a lot of these things aren't doing too good, guys. All right, a lot of these things after a pump, they may need a little bit of pullback. If we don't hold here, we're going to go to yesterday's after hours box here at 660. So they could be selling off ahead of a CPI and see if they pump it back up, okay? So right now, the 4-hour chart looking a little bit weak here with this 4-hour rejection candle here. Let's go on Scalp, Savvy Trades. Please like and subscribe. That's right, guys. If you're here right now and you haven't hit the subscribe button or subscribe or like button, definitely hit the like button. All right, if you haven't hit the like button, please do it right now. All right, click that like button if you haven't already. Click that like button. It puts you up, Carrie. Cool. I sold right off in the gate. Marcus sold the weeklies for Nvidia. I sold, I think, 3 quarters. Have 1 quarter left on the weeklies, but I have the farther dated outs on for earnings push. Very weak, guys. They're selling straight down ahead of a CPI here. Not good.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Not good.
Order filled.
From 840, we're selling off 100 points. Back into yesterday's range, guys. 4-hour doji rejection candle. Very bad. Okay. Very bad 4-hour.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
Very, very bad 4-hour.
Order submitted. Order cancel. Order filled. Order submitted.
Straight down open, selling the gap up from 850. Straight down 130 points so far. Not one single pop. Okay, that's what we're dealt with. That's the card we're dealt with right now.
Order filled.
Straight down is what the market is doing right now. Okay, not one single pop. Going for the gutter.
Order filled. Order filled.
Swept Asia lows. That's right. So far, these first entries are getting slaughtered because we're going straight down 150 points.
Order filled.
Not one single pop.
Order filled.
Getting massacred. Nasty. Guys, watch out for this 660 then. If they don't stop here, they're going to go for this one down here. Nasty action, guys. Nasty action. Brutal action. Absolutely brutal action. Absolutely brutal. Straight down.
Order submit. Order filled.
Absolutely brutal.
Order filled.
Lost 3 first entry funded on Apex, but this take private trader getting some love here.
Order filled.
I won. That's down $700. I was greedy. I should have locked it here. That one I would have saved it, but I was like, man, I want to get a bigger pump. I lost that one. That one has $700 left in it, so I want to go aggressive on it. And but it's okay. If we don't hold this box here, then we're gonna go for this line here. Which is yesterday's Asia Open here. Asia Open low here. Right here. Approximately. Man, this is nasty. Poop in his pants, man. Nasty.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Nasty.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Doing the similar selling action now. A little bit heavier selling, guys. A little bit heavier selling. The stuff we kind of seen back then with the SMH going down. A little bit heavier selling. Google coming down pretty hard. 352 right now. Nvidia selling the gap up. Should have sold everything. I only sold a quarter. I only sold 3 quarters. I mean, shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Lots of things that recently gap up and selling off. Gap up, selling off. Reminds you of during the time when SMH was going down, same stuff was going on, right? In the morning it would gap up, couldn't hold the gap and would sell. So, pretty weak here. Pretty weak action. We got to start pumping higher or else it's going to be not good. We got to invert out of the 740. If we can't invert out of 740, that's going to be bad news. Bad news for the bulls. Good news for the bears. Amazon coming down. Apple coming down. Google coming down. Nvidia coming down. Sell one just in case. Great job, Xander. Great job, man. Yeah, Google getting whacked really hard. It just couldn't get higher after their chief AI guy, whatever, said they're gonna leave, and it's just getting whacked really hard. And today, I don't know if we got some more new news here. It literally went up and straight down sell. Let me see if we got more news on Google here. Not anything new recently that I saw this morning. But I literally went up and then rejected. Can we hold this box or not? You have to make a decision. Can we hold above this Asia open low here? Pretty nasty sell off right in the morning. Gap up sell is not good. Gap up's instant sell is not a sign of strong market. Sorry to hear that, Cigar. Sorry to hear that. You know, take a break, regroup, reset.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
I should sell my box every day for $100. Where'd I sign up? It's for free every day here on the live stream. So if you like the boxes and you like what I do, I ask for 2 things only. If you guys like FSP, really love what you do, bro, what can I do for you, man? Number 1, give your life to God. That's the most important thing. Surrender your life to Christ. That's number 1. And you don't do that for me. You do that for yourself. You do that for the Creator who loves you and gave himself for you. And if you want to do something for me, number 1, you hit the like. Number 2, use my code. That's it. You hit the like and use my code. That's it. You hit the like button on the stream and then you use my code when you buy your preference because you get the max discount and you don't pay anything extra. So that's it. Right? So
Order filled.
Pretty weak here. If we can't take out 760, the measure move here will be approximately 620. If this breaks right here, I'm going to get out. Because the measure move to the downside will be around the 620 to 600 mark.
Order filled.
Ah, market. You frustrate me. You frustrate me.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Mark NQ did not go down for days. I mean, that's the strength of the that's when strength is displayed, right? You don't want it to go back down. You want it to just not being able to go down again and keep dropping. Oh my gosh. What just happened? We got some news, guys. Oh my gosh. Come on, man.
Orders.
Everything's frozen, guys. Be careful. Everything's frozen.
Order filled. Order.
Everything's frozen. Nasty sell again.
Order filled. Order filled.
They probably hit a bunch of buy blocks there. Like literally they slammed a bunch of buy blocks there. That's why it went down so hard here. A lot of people got the stops. They slammed them. They took out the Asia low there. What's going on, Fish? Good job, Carlos. Man, Google getting whacked to 349. Is this thing going out of business? Are they going bankrupt or what? Amazon getting whacked hard. Apple, they're selling all the high betas, guys. They're selling all the high betas. Be careful here. They're selling everything right now. Amazon whacking it. Google whacking it. Apple whacking it. The Q's come down pretty hard. Tesla holding up though. Microsoft somewhat holding. AMD come down. They're whacking it. Ahead of CPI right now. Nasty open. Hate this kind of open. Straight down open is like the worst. It's like I hate it with a passion. It's just like gap up, sell off. I mean, the bears love it, but this is the kind of day I just hate the most. Like with a passion. Apple come down. AMD come down pretty hard. I do take shorts, but I don't take it after a 200 straight down, push down. I don't take shorts like that.
Order filled.
I was hoping for a hero long here, and instead they rejected 120 points. So
Order filled.
the selling ahead of CPI tomorrow. Hourly chart coming into the hourly box. Can we hold this previous level and hold a higher low after they swept these two lows here? Can we hold this previous breakout support level, 600, 550? Let's see. On the hourly chart. I would like to see an inversion here to take out 680, but if we don't, we're going to go down here. The measure move. We're looking at 580 zone here if we do the measure move to the downside. But I would like to see an inversion back up here first. Squeeze out some pairs first, then maybe a little down. So far, they're printing a red day, but right now on the hourly chart, we came to retest this box. Still independent, but I just don't like straight down sell days. But like right at the open gap up sell, those days I just absolutely hate with a passion. But it is what it is. The market does whatever it wants. The key is whether we can invert out of 680 and come back to the 720 zone, or if we break below, we're going to go for this 580, which is a measure move, if we get there, okay? If we do the downside, the measure move we're looking at around here. This would be the measure move, if we get down there. Is it possible 560? Yeah, 560. Much lower possible. 480, not just 560. We got to hold above here. I mean, if we go up and then reject, then that's no good. Man, this one got saved. Didn't think it was going to make it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So weak.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Got $1,000 left. Because it's trailing. Really not having the morning I want right now. The market's really annoying, getting really frustrated.
Order filled.
I'm not sure we got news. 10 a.m. existing home sales. Not sure if that's going to do much. We'll see. I want to see a full bear trap, like straight up take out 760. Then we'll squeeze back up. Otherwise, we pop, we drop, we go to this triangle down here. Everybody want to short this breakdown here. As long as we can hold above the 650, we can squeeze them to 750. So I want to see a short squeeze to this 750 because all the bears are adding to the shorts right now. And if we drop, they bank. But then if we squeeze, they're going to cover. So
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
these pushes have no strength in them. I would have liked them to be up here by now, but these pushes have no strength in them. Red folders tomorrow, CPI. And then we also got PPI coming up as well. So, not today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
A lot of big chop zone here, guys. Big chop zone here.
Order filled.
Trading views laggy, then don't trade it for now right now. Don't trade it yet.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nice. We need to squeeze above this 7. If we squeeze above the 740, the bears will cover. The smart bears will cover, but that's the one. That's the kind of candle I want. Nice.
Order submitted.
News at 10 a.m. Thank you, guys. U.S. 16 homes. Man, I can't even say it right. U.S. existing home sales at 10 a.m. Okay. We got about 2 seconds. No reaction yet. No reaction yet in the market. 30,001 candle. Yes, thanks. All right, if we do a lower high here, be careful. We break below this, we're going to break hard. If we can take out this here, we can go to 800, 780. But if we go do a lower high here, we break this previous squeeze, we go back down this yellow line. Be careful. Locked one, holding one last. Beautiful. Man, they did a tricky today, man. They did a tricky. I almost lost this pro here, man. Almost lost the take profit pro, but got to save now. Got to save and got to pay out today. I was trying to go for a hero long here, but then they dumped it, made it hard. Could be a mid double top here. Be careful, guys. Make sure you lock some. Make sure you lock some. I locked everything except one. Thanks, guys. Well done, the short as well. Beautiful. Guys, from this 640 low here, 635 low here, we pumped 120 points. Make sure you know what that means. Up 700, gonna go for a walk. Well done, Sin. Well done. Right now, unfortunately, we're back to yesterday's trading lows here. So if they reject here, it wouldn't be out of the question because we're back to yesterday's lows. In fact, I may... Well done, Health Wealth. Guys, if you're locked in your green, stay with us. All right, don't dine and dash. Stay with us here. But you don't have to click any buttons. You want to click buttons, click the like button and click these buttons here. If we don't push higher in the 780, they may stall here and come back down here. Make sure you know that. I'm gonna lock it in. I gotta pay out tonight. Got 2K payout tonight. I don't want to be greedy. This account is day one brand new funded on Take Profit Trader. I made $42.35 minus the 2,000 in buffer after commissions. Today's profit is 4073. 4073. And I don't have to wait another 5 trading days, 8 trading days. Today, I can request a full $2,000 in just a matter of about 15 minutes. Am I saying it's a guarantee? No. All right, but that's what the rules allow. That's why I Take Profit Trader. If you don't have it, try them. Right, use the code FSP, get 40% off, no activation fee. Right, that's why I love Take Profit, because today I can go request this payout right here. That's why I was trying to go for a hero long, because I'm not sure if they do a complete sell, maybe just a little balancing ahead of CPI. All right, so very, very nice. How many of you guys don't have Take Profit Trader? If you don't have Take Profit Trader, try them. I mean, today, this 4,200, I can request today. I don't have to wait another 4 days, 5 days, 8 days, whatever it is, okay? That's the beauty of having... That's the beauty of having, like, daily payouts. Okay, that's why I like Take Profit, okay? This sideways action on SMH the last 4 days been brutal. I was hoping for one like big push on SMH, and those calls getting whacked. All right, next account. Sounds good, Yeti. Enjoy work, man. Beautiful pump. Beautiful. Nice. If we can get a CPI pump out of this pennant, if we can get a CPI rip out of this pennant and break above 30,000, man, that'll be nice, right? This 4 hour, if we can get a pennant out of this 4 hour, and we can break out of it. The key is, though, we want to hold above a higher low. You know, ideally, we don't go below today's 630 low test there. Ideally. Right? And then we just get one massive 4 hour bull flag. Boom. Like that. That'll be beautiful, right? I don't know if they'll do that, though. Right now, they're doing like a daily come down retest. Came back up. Depends on how it closed. Today, if it closed ugly, if today, let's say, breaks lower, boom, breaks down lower, then that's not going to be that play. Right? So. AXAU trader, what a feeling from London. Finished work at 2 after being at work for 3 days straight and came home just to make your weekly salary in 30 minutes. Thank you for your blessings, Lord. Amen. Always give thanks to the Lord. Thank you, FPS. No problem. I'll let him know. AXAU, okay? FPS. Any FPS in here? Haven't found him yet. But if I find out about FPS, I'll let him know, okay? Well done, AXOU. Well done, man. Can we get a V shape? We're jamming into yesterday's range here again, guys. Make sure you know that. Okay, we're jamming into yesterday's range here again. Future Pro, not the current, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, in this market, you gotta sell every gap up. Like Nvidia, if I didn't sell 3/4, I would have like lost a lot of profits. I literally just had an order, sell market at the open, and it just went straight down the gap up. So from 222s, it's not a swing trading environment here, man. Take profit trade the same day payout. That's right, AJR. That's the payout I got today down here. I made 4K on a brand new funded. On day one, you get paid on your funded. That's why I like Take Profit. That's why they're my number one. Try them out. 40% off, no activation fee. You see this one right here? You saw me dip it here. I worked that whole account in this zone here. I get paid today. Well, not today. I request tonight. But I get paid tomorrow. Actually, you know what? No, not anymore. Not anymore. Now it's instant payout. I do get paid tonight. I gotta change it. It used to be you gotta wait for tomorrow to get paid, but now they're like instantly paid into your wallet. So it is now tonight. You saw it, Sophia? Is this available for customers from India? I think so. I think Take Profit can take India, right? Anyone doing using Take Profit Trader in India? Anybody know? It's all good, AXAU, man. Happy that you made your weekly salary in 30 minutes. All good. Well done, man. Most important thing is give thanks to God. So that's right, Green. They're very, very fast. Like literally instant now. Instant in your pocket, in your wallet. They're holding it up here. If they do one more pop, they can go with that V shape to the RTHI. We are into yesterday's bunch of consolidation here. Do we get a little bit of pullback from this consolidation, or do we keep going? You have to make a decision here. The key is whether they keep on doing down a straight up V shape, like instant dip bot. That'll be the key. Whether you want to prop it up. Right now, triple Qs have a massive hammer. Yeah, I can't even get a little pullback. That's a sign of it wanting to squeeze higher, but I want to see whether it does a swipe candle down first. If it doesn't, it will squeeze. Looks like a bull flag. Could be. It could be like a bull trap to sweep lower, but I may have to join along and squeeze if they squeeze it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Feel like it's a trap here. It's a trap for lower.
Order filled.
Chopping around. ES coming down. NQ trying to hold.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
So far, big hammer on the Qs, but that hammer will be canceled if we go all the way back down here. What I want to see is a bear trap come down here. I'm going to cover my short when it comes down. Looks a little weak, do a little rope-a-dope, and then pump straight back up. I want to see a little bear trap after I cover my short here.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Bull trap, please. Well, I mean, I got a short with you bears right now, so. We got the bear trap this morning here. We talked about the squeeze here, so. If we can squeeze above here, we can probably go for the RTH high there, so.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
5-minute, is it working on a flag? If it bullish engulf and inverts this 5-minute, you know what's gonna do, right? If it inverts this red candle, you know what's gonna happen, right? We talk about this every day. Look at the 5-minute. What is it doing to that red candle previously? Right now, this will be the pivot, a short-term pivot low here for me to trade against.
Order submitted.
going on, Sky? Good morning. Remember, we're scalpers. Okay? If something doesn't move on one side, we instantly go on the other side. Okay? Some people say like, yo, bro, dude, what is the guy doing? He's long, he's short. He's long, he's short. He's long, he's short. I can't follow. I can't follow. He's long, he's short. He's back short. He's back long. What is he doing? That ain't trading, bro. That ain't trading, bro. I mean, I'm not sure if that's trading, but I mean, that's scalping. Right? If something doesn't work, then you flip. Right? A lot of chop action here, guys. We should have punched through this high here. If we don't punch through this high here, it'll be a massive bull trap. Take out this bubble, we go to 700. We got to take out this 800 and go to the previous high here. If we don't, this will be a massive bull trap. We'll break this bubble and we'll go to 720, 700. Be careful. Man, they're doing some 30s today, man. 30s. Man. 30. Yeah, they're trapping both sides, man. They trapping both sides. 30.
Order submitted.
Tesla pushing up 335. Took a long time to reclaim that earnings down there. Google will push back up. That was good. The market doesn't care being rude, man. The market will trick, trap, and frustrate most people as it wants to. So now it's about to do a little flag back up there if it wants to fake everybody out. Oh man, this is brutal. Brutal chop here, man. Careful, guys. They're doing some massive brutal chop here, man. Massive brutal chops.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Gotta pick a side.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, be careful. They're probably going to chop into CPI tomorrow. With this kind of action, it means that they're not going to do anything. They're probably going to chop in this range here. 860 this morning, 850 to 640. We got 200 points. They're going to chop around this range. I got to start changing my style now because I can tell right now they're going to chop it around. So I'm going to change the buying dip selling rips. The momentum trade is not going to work now. I just got chopped up this account massive because they're chopping in the CPI tomorrow. So they're not going to do momentum, guys. I was trying to go for the momentum, but they're just doing the chop around algo here. So they're doing the chop around algo here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Unless we have a deal, that's right. Then we rip. 5 minute working working on a bull flag, but I don't know, this 5 minute we should have went there, but then they stuffed into it here. So the chances of them chopping around more is higher. So you see that up down chop,
Order filled.
up down chop.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Probably nothing's gonna happen until CPI, guys. You can already tell. Right now it's 10:23 and the market is not even moving. So
Filled.
probably nothing's gonna happen until tomorrow. Today may be one of those wrap up early day todays. Is my course up to date? It's a year old. I mean, I can go and make a bunch of new graphics, repackage it as 3.0 like the gurus, and sell it for 10 times the price. I mean, I've been in marketing for 20 years. I can do that. If you want, you guys want a little new. I mean, the strategy is the same. I know you guys want to hear new stuff. You guys like to hear like a lot of people like shiny object syndrome. It's like, yo, bro, I need something new, bro. No. Like a year ago, no. I need something new, bro. Okay, what do you mean? I need something new for your trading.
Order submitted.
I haven't done something new. I've been doing the same thing for the past 2-3 years. 2 years on futures prop. Now I'm consistently profitable doing that thing for 2 years. No, bro. New, bro. Okay. All right. Give me a second. I'm gonna use AI. I'm gonna whip up a new thumbnail. Then I'm gonna jack up the course to $997. How about that? $1,000. I mean, if you want, I could. That's what the gurus do, right? 3.0 is coming, guys. Something super exciting. I had a bunch of basically new videos,
Filled.
even though the same content, but I revamped them into new graphics, and you guys won't know with GPT now everything is easier. Oh wait, did I just tell you that? No. It's actually new content. If something works, guys, you don't need to change it. If something works, you don't need to change it. Keep doing what works. Epic Sega, bro has 100 prop accounts. Of course, you'll be profitable with some of them. Well, Epic Sega, with all respect, that is a very ignorant statement. And you've been with us for a while, so you should know how I trade, right? Whether I have 100 prop accounts or whether I have 1,000 prop accounts is absolutely irrelevant, right? What is relevant at the end of the day is money in and money out, right? It's like saying to someone, well, of course you got $10,000 in your bank. Of course you're not this and that. Well, I mean, $10,000 in the bank doesn't mean anything. It could mean that a person has $100,000 in debt with $10,000 cash. Or it could mean that $10,000 in the bank, someone had paid off everything, paid off their house, paid off their car, paid off no debt. Who is more rich? The guy with $10,000 in a bank with absolutely zero debt versus someone who has $10,000 in a bank with a mortgage, with a house, with a lifestyle they can't sustain. Who's more rich? So just by saying you got 1,000 accounts to rotate, so of course that doesn't mean anything, guys. You can have 5,000 accounts. Doesn't mean anything. What it matters is money in and money out. Epic Sega, are you like, I'm just trying to figure out because you've been in for a while. I want to explain this. I want to use this as a teaching moment. All right, guys. Let me tell you why Epic Sega here makes absolutely zero sense. All right. If I don't tell you how much I spend every month, then yes, it will make no sense. But if I tell you guys last month, okay, last month I spent $17,829 in fees. Is that a lot? Yes, it's a lot. However, I locked in $67,192 in payout. So $67,192 minus the $17,829, which this is where Epic Sega says is a lot of accounts, which is true. Let's just say it is 1,000 accounts. Okay? $67,192 minus $17,829 means I got a net profit of $49,363. But FSP, bro, are you consistent? Is that just 1 month, bro? Let's look at the month before. June, $85,723 in payouts minus $24,771 in cost. Accounts, fees, resets. I do the same thing like you guys do. I just buy more of them. So is the objection true that, oh, FSP buy a lot of accounts? True. But just because I buy a lot of accounts, does that mean that it's a bad thing? Well, no. If I can lock in $85,000 in payouts and I spend $24,000 in fees and I net profit $60,952, guys, answer the question. Is this a bad thing? Is the objection real when the people say, yeah, of course it works for you, bro, because you buy 1,000 accounts? Yes, I buy 1,000 accounts. I buy more than 1,000 accounts. Does it matter? Does it matter? If I am net green 60K in 1 month, does it matter? Answer the question. And the second question is, would you do that? Would you spend 24K to get 85K in payouts so that you can net 60K? Not an income guarantee. I'm just saying hypothetically, would you do that? All right, answer the question. A better question is, Epic Sega, would you do that? Epic Sega, would you spend 24K to get 85K in payouts to net 60K? If it's possible, would you do it? Let's hear. Let's see what he says. Let me see. It's in the chats. It's in the chats. Looking. Nope, don't see his answer. Okay. All right. Let's focus on the trading now. All right, they're chopping around. Oh, you would. Epic Sega. Okay, well, there you go. So I guess you answered your own question that your initial comment made no sense. Okay, cool. Valentine fees mean like evaluations, activations, resets of accounts, those kind of stuff. The same stuff that you do. Right? That's what I mean. Okay. Carlos. We should, but sometimes, some things just kind of, doesn't make sense. You're trying to straighten it. We got this massive 5-minute flag here. Do we actually pump through this time? Let's see here. That's true too, Benji. That's true too. Green oil. The next question is, how many indicators does FSP use and why so little is shown on the graph? That's true. Why don't you use any indicators, bro?
Order filled.
Why are you not using any indicators?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Look at this massive chop rate, guys. Look at this massive chop rate. Like for the past half an hour, like just chopped in this range here, this zone here. When you do sarcasm, said, bro, you stop. Who's Jimmy Yang? I don't know who Jimmy Yang is. Look at these kind of just trap after trap after trap.
Order filled.
This account's not gonna make it. It's got chopped up here so hard. I try to short it, it pumps it. I try to buy it, instant dump. So this one's not gonna work. They just massive chop right here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We need a chop song. Yeah, I gotta switch to ranging, but right there it looked like it was gonna break out. But you gotta go back to range. The range strategy. Alright, I'm gonna rotate to another account. This one's not gonna make it. They're just basically chopping around here. I got chopped up with this account, so I gotta wait for another one. Got chopped.
Order submitted.
Yeah, no momentum right now any long. I mean, I think they're gonna keep doing that. I may wrap up early today if it keeps doing that. So literally he's not doing anything. It's waiting for CPI tomorrow. So this is like literally holding pattern here. So chop like Kung Fu Flag. Probably not going to do anything unless we get some kind of catalyst, right? Some kind of news about the Iran war, or you know, something about the rates, you know, maybe. But right now they're just going to chop around. So you see that? Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, like this what's been doing.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Just massive chop rate.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Time for my push-ups. Looks like a price bar at Walmart. Yeah, I mean, like, right there with that kind of rejection candle, we should have sold off already, right? But they propping it all the way back up. You see this up, down. Like this move should have brought it back down. They went up, faked it up, and then boom, back down. You see what I mean? It's chopping action. They held this previous breakdown here. One rejected. If they build big enough a base, they could send higher. But every time I try to go for higher, they just dumped it back down. So could it be this time to try to go again? See that? You see that? Crazy stuff. Like, look at that 5-minute hammer on that 5-minute. This algo is being nonstop. Yay, buddy, with 9.5K received from yesterday's trades, all daily accounts. Lucid Live, my Fund Futures trade 5 for the next. Well done. Yay, buddy. Well done, man. Yo, do I need to upgrade your badge or what? Basically 13.1K so far on payouts. This take profit. Well done on take profit. Gonna give you over 10K badge. Non-income guarantee. It's just what you guys have done. Very happy for you guys, man. Very happy. Well done, man. Bazoo with another take profit. Nice. Apex with Sham here. Nice. Great job, guys. If you got a payout, make sure you post it in the payout section so we can celebrate with you. Gop, you got your biggest payout yesterday for 1,800. Well done, man. Well done. Yo, post it in the payout section. We'd love to celebrate with you. You know, inspire some other people as well. It's just these algos know how to get you. They know how to get you, like literally.
Order filled.
Yay, buddy, you're above 400K? Yo, we need to do an interview, man. You want to do an interview?
Order filled.
You want to do an interview?
Order filled.
We need to do an interview, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
You're an introvert? All right, I cannot go for momentum. Every time I try to go for momentum, it just another account hurt again.
Order filled.
Like another account hurt again. Like I try to go for momentum and I try to short it and would hold it like it's gonna go up. This is brutal action, guys. I mean, I think I may clock out like maybe in about an hour or so. Another one down. This is very brutal action, guys. It hasn't moved and it faked out 3 times for up. I tried to short it and then it went all the way back up. I tried to long it and it's just... I'm just going to lock in and take proper payout and maybe call it good. Because they're just going to wait for CPI tomorrow. They're not going to do anything. So this is brutal action. Very brutal action.
Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
ES breaking down, but NQ won't let go. So, I mean, we've been in this range for like, you know, half an hour. Like go up, swipe down candle, go up, swipe down candle. Right here, we should have broken down, like with a little pop and break down, but they propped it all the way back up. So now if you short it like last time, like it did, do they bring it all the way back up? I don't know. It's just they keep on doing these shenanigans. Just holding pattern for CPI tomorrow. See what they do in the next half an hour. If they keep on sticking in this range for the next half an hour, then I think the best thing to do, guys, just wrap it up early. Because they're not going to do anything ahead of CPI, so. Just give it another half an hour.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Bujan, you got good news and bad news. Which one you start with? Whichever one you want. Same for you have 120K in on your sim account. Let's see what my sim is doing right now. Let's see. My sim is only up 340K. On the Ninja. Oh wait, did I tell? I shouldn't tell you guys the sim, right? Because those gurus, they just go, okay guys, I'm up 350K.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order
May you hustle. Wow, $350. FSP, you want an interview? Yeah, I'll do an interview for a $350 payout. I mean, you guys would love to hear a $350 payout, right? Interview. I mean, that's big numbers. $350. I mean, it's a record for sure. So
Order submitted.
if you guys want it, sure. I mean, Mugen, the bad news is you lost your 50K account last night. Forgot to set a stop loss. Your wife went to labor and just dropped everything. Well, that's just good news, Mugen. That's just good news, okay? That's good news, all right? If your wife went to labor, do you guys have the baby already? Congratulations. Congratulations. This is what happens when a market is awaiting an important piece of catalyst. Okay, is that it doesn't move, it just stays in a range. Okay? And literally ever since this morning here, it's really doing a whole lot of nothing. So bears move for FSP. I mean, it hasn't. Every time I try to go short, I just pumped it back up. You bears aren't doing anything today. What's going on, Greeno and Carlos? And Danny, you know, like, you guys are not doing nothing today, man. Like, just letting the bulls just rip it back up after a dump like this. They laughing at you guys, bears. What are you guys doing? Bears are sleeping?
Order.
Yo, why is my limit not getting taken? All right, cool.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, since the bears are so weak today, I have to cover this one. Another funded. All right, next one. What, a massive chop? That's right. That's right. It's chopping around. Chopping all around. Going to downtown. Well, DJ, we've all been there. We've all done that. Yesterday, I started with a third entry thinking it was the first entry account. I took that third entry account that's close to payout down 3,300 on that funded. And then I got 3 funded first entry, brand new green. So it all happens, you know, like I was going to put in the first entry first, the brand new funded, but I ended up putting the third entry. So I mean, we all make mistakes, you know, we all make mistakes, and that's just part of trading. Sometimes it sucks. Sometimes you're like, man, how could I ever do that? But, you know, we're humans, we're flawed. Right? And that's why we need God. And it doesn't matter how technologically advanced AI is going to be. Without God,
Order submitted.
nothing matters. So,
Order filled.
Swarm, it's mostly just me. You're perfect. Sworn says he's perfect. Anybody think that's gonna be true? I mean,
Submitted.
give us free account, KRZY. Just like that. Give us free account. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's see. What else do you want though? Like, I do have a little bit of money in my bank account. What else should I give you? What do I need to give you? Like $1,000, $2,000, or I mean, if you... Freeland for us. Go to a party, right, introduce yourself, check out, you know, put out your hand. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? My name is Mike. Hi, how are you? My name is Mike. Grab me a soda. What? Your name is grab me a soda? Or do you mean your name is a soda? Grab me a soda. Yo, I mean, is this guy okay? Does he mean that his name is Soda? Or what does that mean? Like, I've never heard of a name called Soda. Carlos, get me a soda now, right? You prefer calling it a pop? Well, there you go. You know what? I'm not going to let him trick me again. Last time I tried to buy, I covered my short. I tried to go buy the breakout right here and right here. 2 times they dumped me out. Should I go try it again here, guys? Last time I tried to go for the breakout, here and here, they dumped it straight down. Took 2 of my accounts red. Should I trust them this time, or is NQ not trustable right now, huh? Last time I tried to trust them, and I tried to go for momentum, and then they dumped it down. All right. Should I trust them again this time and long here like last time? Because last time I did that, they dumped me out, man. Should I trust them? What do you guys think? Okay, let's do a poll here. Should I trust NQ this time? Yes, do it. Long the top channel. No, NQ never to be trusted. It's tricky. Let's see. You better not break out here, NQ. Last time I tried to buy the breakout, it wouldn't do it. Last time, right here, you saw it. I tried to long it, and it's straight down dump. Let's see here. Should I trust NQ this time? Yes, do it. Long the top channel. We got 40%. 52% says no, never to be trusted. It's tricky. But you know, I'm kind of the person that likes to give people a benefit of the doubt sometimes. It's kind of like, you know what? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me, but FSP, you got fooled twice here. You got fooled here and here. So you can't use that phrase anymore. Right. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on you too. How about that? Huh? So now I can use it. Shame me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on you too. Okay. So if I do it the 3rd time, I need to come up with another rhyme first. Okay. If I do it the 3rd time, I need another rhyme to do it. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on you too. Fool me thrice. Fool me thrice. Have some rice. How about that? Okay. 56% says it's tricky, never to be trusted. All right, let's go with the minority.
Order submitted.
Don't let me do I don't want to go eat some rice today, man. Don't fool me, NQ. Don't fool me here, man. Don't fool me here, NQ.
Order submitted.
I don't want to have no rice right now, man. I want some noodles today. Let's go. Let's go with the minority here. Long the top channel.
Order submitted.
Come on, man. Don't think, just go. Fire rifle. Gonna end the pull. Fully loaded 9 out of 7 longs for the rest of the week. How do you have 9 out of 7 longs?
Order filled.
Carlos calling his friends? I mean, they can do a sweep and reject here. Finally, man. Finally, some bulls action here. Because I miss you finally, man. There's a song for that. Something like that. I miss you finally. Bulls, come on. Finally, you're back. I mean, what you do, bulls? Where'd you go? What you do?
Submitted. Order submitted.
Kevin Boom. Seven to 7 core long potential overweighted. Sometimes you gotta be a little overweighted. Right. I wish I sold more of those Nvidias at the open. I only sold 3/4, but it just dumped straight back down, so. Oh well.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Bulls, I have no idea what you're doing. I have no idea what you're doing, Bulls.
Order filled.
Carlos.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I do it by hand. Those pivots bubbles, I do it by hand.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
KRKV, is that right? I mean, make sure you know if it doesn't go your direction, then what's gonna happen, all right? You gotta calculate both sides, right? You can't just be like, if the market goes this way, it's great.
Order
If
filled.
it doesn't, then it's not great, right? So we're back to chop again, guys. Back to chop again.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Rice. Fill me thrice. Carlos, do you know how to use a chopstick? If you do, then you can do that emoji, right? But you gotta hold it properly, though. I mean, I go to some restaurants. Do you hold the chopsticks properly? If you do, then we can do the rice together. Okay. But don't hold it like a rock in your hand, though, right? Don't do the. I see people hold the chopsticks like they, you know, like curl up the fist and then they do the chopsticks like that. What's the proper way? You gotta have the middle finger is gonna support the middle gap of the two chopsticks. All right, it's the proper way to do it. If you know how to hold the chopsticks properly, then you can put the chopsticks emoji in here, right, guys? You're Asian, but you do it wrong? Okay, well. You're doing it right? Well, there you go. There you go. If not, I got those practice chopsticks, you know, gear that you give my kids when they're growing up. So, wow, lots of people claim they have proper chopsticks holding. Yo, do we need to do another video challenge or something? Shoot a video of how you hold your chopsticks. That's too easy, man. That's too easy. How do you say chopsticks in Cantonese? Phai chi. Are they doing this action like here? Printing like a bull flag and then do a little swipe down? You have to make a decision. Are they going punch straight up or are they doing this here? Are they doing this right here, like here? Right? Printing like a bull flag, down, up, down, up, down, right? So, you trade futures using chopsticks? There you go, DQ. There you go. Use your hands to eat? Tools are too advanced for... Okay, cool. Child of God, you're black, but you know how? Your favorite fruit? There you go. Ivan captures a fly with chopsticks? Wow. Wow. That's serious. That's some kung fu there, man. 蜻蜓點水，輕功。So Ivan, you gotta show it on the video. If you show it on the video that you actually captured a fly with chopsticks while it's moving the fly, like you don't just get one account, you get 3 accounts. All right. I mean, and then like some people here are probably gonna have to ask you to enroll them to be, you know, you're gonna have to be sensei or something. So there we go, chopping back down. Use chopsticks like you shoot a bow. Focus on your target. Wow. I didn't know we have such diverse talents here. We got someone who can catch a fly with chopsticks. We got bow hunter who can shoot the bow with a chopstick. What else can you guys do with the chopsticks? I mean, I thought as an Asian, as Chinese, I knew how to use it, but I didn't know you guys can do all that. What do you guys do with your chopsticks? I mean, I feel like I'm like, you know, falling short here, so. David, take profit is intraday on the funded before you reach threshold, but after that is static. And then the evals is static too. No defaster. Do you catch bears with chopsticks? Wow. How do you do that? You play the drums with chopsticks? Well, that's why you're not on the worship team. That's why you're one of those guys where I have to just kind of ignore. Like, I'm like, not ignore, but like gracefully say, you know what, really appreciate you coming today. Really appreciate your heart to just come here and just using your musical talents to worship God together, you know. If the schedule, you know, if the schedule allows and it works out, we'll let you know. You're one of those guys. Play piano chopsticks now. You lead an orchestra with chopsticks. They actually do, Jeremiah. They do use like a silver. They use the Korean chopsticks. The Korean chopsticks, right? It's like silver when you go there. They do use it. You use a chopstick as a toothpick? Oh, gringo? Wow. How long have you haven't seen a dentist for, man? You gotta go see a dentist, man. If you can use a chopstick as a toothpick, then you know your teeth need some work with a dentist, man. So I mean, make sure you go floss and brush. Alright? Or else it's not good to lose too much teeth like that. So, okay. I mean, I'm not dentist, okay? So don't tell me, you know, whatever. I mean, I'm not saying I'm a professional dentist, so. But we can't hear you when you play with your chopsticks. It's hard for you to see, Hunter Poker? What do you mean? May Shim floss together? I don't want to floss together with you guys. I don't want to do that. I'll trade together, we'll bank together, we'll pray together, but I don't want to floss together with you guys. That's nasty, man. No, thanks, Misha. You guys, oh guys, just floss together. All you guys having your mouth open. Oh, what are you doing, bro? I'm flossing. What? I'm flossing, girl. I can't hear you, man. Don't talk with your mouth open. I got to see your steak out of my mouth, bro. That'll be nasty, guys. We're not gonna floss together, man. Guys, they're chopping around so hard ahead of CPI. I mean, I'm gonna give it like maybe another 15 minutes. Okay? If they keep on doing this, I'm just gonna clock it early, guys. Alright, let's just do a draw soon. You're rolling. Online floss session. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna have our online flossing session. If this is your first time, welcome. What we do here is we floss together and we trade together. If you're in a trade and it's going slow, take out the Oral-B floss. Simply engage with the motion of left, right, or left, right. Make sure you don't hit the floss too hard on your gums, because damaging it could cause gingivitis. And should that happen, please visit your local dentist. Now, on the count of 3, we go floss. Left, right, left, left, right. Floss, left, right, left, left, right. Floss, left, right, left, left, right. Floss, left, right. What are we doing, guys? Who started this floss thing, man? What are we doing, man? That sounds so ridiculous. Who started this floss thing? Come on, guys. And the more ridiculous thing is I went along with it. That's what happens when the market doesn't move, guys. That's what happens, man. When the market doesn't move, right? The host of kids. Almost 500 likes. We need 600 likes, man, guys. We need 600 likes. If you haven't hit the like button and you're here right now, if you are here right now and you haven't hit the like button, right now you should drop your head a little bit, look down a little bit, shake your head a little bit right now. Okay, if you haven't hit the like today and you're here right now, and you have heard us say hit the like and you haven't, right now, drop your head, shake it left and right and go, shake your head left and right. Okay? If your name is Mikey, you shake your head left and right. Mikey. I didn't hit a like. And then you go hit the like. That's simple. All right? Market is listing a little bit. Now it's moving a little bit more. U.S. to sell 110 billion 4-week bills on August 13th to settle on August 18th. Okay. All right, finally moving a little bit. Now I'm too heavy because I didn't think they're going to move larger range. We have to rotate this one. Sim short printing. There you go. The market may not be green today, but we get entertained, right? There you go. Carlos' friends finally act. I mean, it's about time. It's about time.
Order filled.
All right, a little 70-point pull so far, approximately. It's a little better now. We get a little bit more movement.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Some sweeps here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
From 810, we went down about 90 points. Case your money got out before the reversal. Nice, well done.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
If they go straight down here, I may not keep rotating. Because they may go for the low of day here if they don't bounce. So, if they just cut through here, I'm just going to sit and watch and rotate to another counter, sit and watch. Or sit and watch. They may do a dirty straight down to the lows here. They got to bounce here. I already got that account there. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to keep longing it. Because if we don't want to do manipulation, they can go straight down here. Gonna have to wait. If they go straight down here, that ain't gonna be good. Amazon coming down pretty hard. Daily looking bad. Nvidia hard sell off from the gap up. Q's, triple Q still red with the gap up. So they want to sell it. They could break this low here. We're still into that triangle if they want to do it. So. If they don't pop here, be careful. They can cut all this out real quick. I mean, rotation is good, but there comes a time you don't keep rotating. You just watch. Very weak bounce. The real bounce should be at least 740 or 750.
Order filled.
The previous account. If it doesn't break back and even, I'm not gonna. Will this one get saved? Let's see.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Is that a resignation from the bulls? If they break below this bubble, yeah, we're gonna go to low day here. So you really dislike being stuck in a position? Yeah, same here. Same here. Nobody likes being stuck in a position. Right? Everybody wants a position that wins. But that's part of trading. You're always gonna have a time where you're gonna get stuck in a position. Right? It's how you deal with it that determines what kind of trader you're going to be. Like this one, if it goes straight down, I'll be stuck in a position. It'll be a loss. Look, it's going to be a loss. And so then I rotate and I wait. Right? It's not popping. So now I got to rotate. Now I got to wait. All right? I can't keep on dipping here because if it breaks here, we're going to go for the low day. Right? I got stuck in a position. Everybody gets stuck in a position, once in a while. So nobody likes it. Very weak, guys. Be careful with the market here. Very weak action here. This could be a massive bull trap here if we don't get back above 760 here. Unless we get back up here, then we chop. But then if we don't, we keep on pop, drop here. We trapped all the bulls here this morning, and it's not going to be pretty. That's what I'm telling you. If we don't pop above here, and we keep on just going down here, I'm not going to keep dipping it. We need an inversion right now to go back up here. All right? Not good, guys. Not looking good here on the 5 minute or the 1 minute. Unless we take back out this 730s to the upside, we're going to keep on pop, drop, maybe down here like that. Unless we can see the bulls do a beeline action back up here at least, then that'll be better. All right, but right now is very weak. Very, very weak. We stopped into yesterday's consolidation zone and couldn't get higher. Okay. And the hourly chart is now looking pretty bad. Okay. They hammered it and now they printed red like this. Not good. Not good going to a CPI tomorrow. Nvidia gap up, massive sell off. 222 gap up, selling off. Couldn't hold it. Google, Amazon getting whacked. Right now, pay attention to this area here. If they can support the box and get back above 760, it's better. But right now, there's some structural damage done for the bulls here. Even if we get back up here, it's not going to be pretty. Some structural damage. The reason why is because everyone who longed here is now trapped. Right? So they're forced to sell, and the selling is going to force a lower. If we get back up here, they're probably going to try to get back even some here. So this area, even if we pop back up here, okay?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
They're slowing down somewhat right now. ES broke lows. Very bearish on ES, okay? ES is leading the market down. Not sure why, other than healthcare, everything's pretty strong. Financials, energy, communications. A lot of these things are strong. I don't know why it's coming down like that. What's leading a SPY down? Industrials low week. I mean, ES broke down hard. Broke the lows. NQ haven't. NQ's holding somewhat. Transports. Fetcher inflation hawks. But that's old news though, right? Bring me a soda now. FSP, that's the one. Congratulations, Mutant. Oh, look at this baby. God bless this baby. Smiling too, huh? God bless this baby. What's the baby's name? May the Lord bless this baby to come to know Christ and to follow the Savior and Lord all the days of his or her life. Congratulations, man. That's the good news. There's no bad news in that. Even though you blow your 50K account, Maria, may God bless Maria and she grows up fully as a woman of God, full of faith, full of love, full of courage. God bless you, bro. It's a great time. I wanted another one, but my wife says it's, we're done, so. If I could, I would hold yours, so. I love babies, man. You work next to yours all the time, Martha? I know how that's like. You guys saw the diaper. You guys saw the diaper strategy. You don't want another one?
Order submit. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order canceled.
Let's go with this one. Oh, you do want another one. I see. Yeah, Mugen, the most important part is to just, you know, to stay with Christ, trust God, and lead the baby to know God. So, most important thing. Yeah, fur babies, you can't have kids.
Order failed.
You want as many as the Lord grants you? There you go. There you go. Breaking down here. If they don't hold here, man, it's gonna be nasty.
Order failed.
Another boom. Nice. Great job, Triple J. Trader X, I buy them, and I get some for free too. So, but majority I buy them. Most of them, most of the free accounts I have, it's for you guys. It's giveaways, right? So, I mean, last month, as I told you, I spent. What was it? Let me pull out the thing here. Last month I spent 17K in fees. The month before, 24K in fees. So. Close it, KRZY. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. If we can invert this 5-minute candle, then it's possible to pump back higher into the 750 mark. But if we cannot, this is a classic bear flag to go up and then print lower. So, I mean, with tomorrow being CPI, my guess is they're kind of trying to chop it around a little bit. You know, this move here was a little dirty, right? They went up and then dirty, like, but I think if they're going to chop around today, they're going to go up, down, that kind of stuff. So, right now it's already 11:30 and it's not really doing much. So let's do the first draw of today, guys. Let's do the first draw today. Let's give away, right now, 2 You know what? Let's do 3. All right, let's do 3 because I may wrap it up early today with the market not moving. So let's do 3 giveaways right now. All right, and today we can do some FNF futures again. You know, the first 3. Let's do a 3. Do we have 25Ks left? Let me see here. It's like crazy. We're giving so many accounts every day. Giving close to like 80 to 100 accounts every month. So just by being part of this community, you guys get a chance to win. All right, yeah, so we still got, okay. So we'll give away 3 25Ks rapid my FNF futures account. If you want to be part of it, all right, use one word to describe. Actually, you know what? Just use one word, not one word. Just use one word. Just type in your PNL today so far. All right, type in your PNL today so far, and we'll give away 3. All right, I'm gonna head to the washroom. I'll give you guys a little time to do that, and when I'm back from the washroom, we'll immediately do the draw. Okay, so type in your PNL today, and
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
when I'm back, we'll do the draw. All right. This draw is not associated with YouTube. It's just my way of saying thank you for being part of the community. All right. I'll be right back.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, let's do the draw right now. I mean, it's not surprising the market doesn't move ahead of FOMC or not FOMC, CPI. Right, it's going to wait for the catalyst and then go from there. So, I mean, the odds of the market moving more today is not very high. We're going to do 3 winners. Let's see what the 3 winners are. Powell, Dylan, and Andy. Powell up $200 today. Dylan 450 and Andy red. However, hope this account cheers you up a little bit. All right. Powell Zagruski. Very hard to read. Okay. Dylan 1976 and NDXC. Congratulations on winning the account. Make sure you go inside the Discord underneath giveaway or a claim giveaway to claim your giveaway account. Okay. Congratulations. What do you do? Never win? Well, you go inside the Discord. Use the link in the description. And go, inside Discord, there's a channel called Claim Giveaway. And make sure you follow the instructions there. Okay. All right, guys. Look at a 5-minute chart right now. It's literally like a lot of wicks to the upside. Couldn't break higher. It's a classic bear flag here. Okay. Classic bear flag. But the market is moving very, very slowly. And the ATR is already at 13.85. Okay. So it's doing like a little barcode here, just lower. So you have to decide whether you want to stay for this action. I am like semi not really feeling it because I locked in a take profit payout that cancels the red that I have today, and I'm good, right? I locked in like I did a 4K profit today on that account. Above buffer, I'm locking in 2K payout today. So I don't think I'm gonna try to do too much ahead of CPI because, as you can tell right now, the market is literally just chopping around. Okay, sometimes there are times when you push, and there's times that you don't. Okay, so I may give it another few more minutes, but I have to see, like, I mean, look at this ATR, right? Just doing nothing since the morning. So if you're gonna be trading this, just know that you may be just getting these actions. You may get like 1 or 2 moves like that continuation, but you may have to wait for like an hour, 2 hours to get a continuation move like that. And then it's going to start doing these little chops like that. Look at a 5-minute candle, right? 5-minute candle.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Swiped it. Dirty swipe.
Order filled.
Dirty swipe.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
All right, this eval didn't make it. I'm going to go hard on another eval because I want to pass one here.
Order filled. Order filled.
See if they get 580 this time. Yeah. But, you know, they don't make it easy though, right? They don't make it easy, so.
Order filled. Order submitted.
If we don't hold here, we may sweep the low to go lower. Okay?
Order filled.
Advice to the Supreme Leader, Makran, Strait of Hormuz will not be reopened until Iran's conditions are met. So that drop was some news about the Iran war there, okay? Saying that the Strait of Hormuz is going to be closed again, that kind of stuff, okay? So we got some news there.
Order submitted.
Oil's heading up? Okay. Do we hold a higher low? Or do we go for the low of the day? You have to make a decision.
Order filled.
I mean, that news took it down. Certain moves will not be reopened until Iran's conditions are met. So,
Order filled.
very weak so far. After selling off from the 810s, we haven't really recovered. So this is looking a little weaker. If they crack the lows there, we may get more momentum to the downside. Finally to this 580 and this yellow line down here. So let's see if they do that. ES is leading the market down today, very weak. And the market is basically selling off ahead of CPI, okay?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hourly chart, very bad. Right? Straight down sell after the morning green candle on the hourly. Not a good candle at all.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So far, 1, 2, like all these 5-minute candles are straight down sell candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 red candles. I do use TraderVate, but this is Ninja Trader. Okay, this is Ninja Trader.
Order filled. Order filled.
We haven't hit today's lows yet. They may not. They don't have to, right? They don't have to. So sometimes you look for them to sweep the lows and they pump it all the way back up. I'm not saying it has to happen today, but so far what they've been doing is consolidate, leg down, consolidate, leg down, right? So we may have to consolidate a long time and then leg down. And then after they consolidate, they do the, if they want to balance, they reverse back to the upside. So it depends. It really depends. Praise the Lord. Amen. D-Money. Amen. ES leading the market down today. Kind of makes sense, right? Broke all-time highs. Right now it's trying to come back down. Retest some. Not doing much here. Not doing much here. Rejected yesterday's consolidation zone. And 2 days ago's highs. And right now we're at this with this box here. Not doing a whole lot. Chopping around. Vision done for the day. Well done. Well done. If the bulls want to see some outside action, we're going to take out the 720s. We stay underneath this 720 breakdown. We keep on grinding lower. So you're going to have to make a decision what you want to do here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Is this a higher low to go back higher, grind back higher, or do we drop lower? You have to make a call and make a decision. How about to order food? Yeah. Almost time. Almost time. I actually haven't had kanji for a while. Wouldn't be a bad idea, but I don't feel like kanji today. But let's see.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
You blue one eval, but green on the other? Well, that's good. That's net green, right? Net green is what you want. Leftover fire rice gone? Yeah, I finished that yesterday, man. Actually, there may be some left, but I don't feel like doing that again. I don't feel like doing that on day 3, so. What's going on, Bonnie? What is going on? Going great, going great. Amazon pretty weak. Google coming down again. Breaking below again. I work trading the 15-minute break. Oh man, that's stressful. If you only got 15 minutes, don't put on a trade, man. Don't put on a trade, man. Unless you're swinging it or you're doing micros and you can't manage it. Don't do this to yourself, man. Just take the 15-minute break and call it good. Looking weak here, man. Rejecting that 5-minute. Man, this ES is so weak today, man. I guess we're not gonna. Are we gonna hold that breakout on SPY? Hard to tell. Still 11 points, almost 12 points away from the previous breakout high. They may have to go back and retest the previous high on SPY, and that's 760, 756 area. So we may need a whoosh day on the SPY to retest that previous breakout high, and that's gonna bring the Qs down maybe into the 700s. Tomorrow before the bulls, you think? We'll see. We'll see what happens with CPI. Right now, 4 4-hour candles red. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And, you know, this could be a start. Either a start of a bigger sell-off here, or it could be a higher, lower retest here to go back higher. You have to make a decision. Bonnie, you just got an Apex eval for 1690. You okay? You lose that day, listen. Yeah, I mean, it's cheap, which is fine. But, you know, you don't want to stretch yourself out. If you want the maximum discount with Apex, with 90% off, use the code FSP, right? Use the code FSP. Same thing with Take Profit Trader, Lucid, My Fund Futures, Traderify. You get the max discount there, guys, okay? What's going on, Bill Tucker? You're out working? Just want to say hi? Thanks for dropping by, man. God bless you. Thank you, Bonnie. Thank you for support, man. Thank you for support. For those of you guys who use my code, thank you for your support. 5-minute bear flagging, guys. Slow grind, slow grind, bear flagging here. You're getting the account ready for CPI tomorrow. That's true. That's true. If you want to pass some accounts, tomorrow using CPI is a great time to pass a bunch of... Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to do CPI tomorrow. I need to replace some evals here. So tomorrow, I'm probably going to go for CPI at 8:30. So if you want some accounts, use the code FSP, buy some Apex, right, for 90% off. I'm going to try to pass... We'll see. We'll see. Can we invert this red candle? If we can invert this red candle that looks bearish, it is possible we go back higher, but I don't know, man. So far, it's been working lower and lower, so I'm not sure if I can trust this. Right now, it's looking bear flagging in the 5-minute here, so. Does the red photo still work? I passed like 5 on NFP last week, so. Man, this pop drop algo. Oh, that 5-minute is looking so bad. Amazon's getting whacked. Bezos selling because he wants to buy Liverpool. So Bezos selling. Google's down to 349. Nvidia down to 218. Pretty bad stuff going on here, man. I do copy trade on CPI with evals only. But no, that's the only time I copy trades when I try to pass a red folder using red folder strategy.
Order filled.
5-minute looking really bad on NQ here. 5-minute looking really bad on NQ here. Cutco, I think so. I don't see any rule that says you can't. But if you're concerned about that, then don't do it. Don't do it. HR taking Andrea's advice, locked in your trades today, no more trading. That's good advice. That's good advice. HR, my Cantonese brother, 廣東話朋友你好。又多謝香港朋友喺度係嘛？廣東話朋友。Parables, because that's against YouTube's terms of service. The giveaway must be fair and free for everybody. It cannot be incentivized in any way. So I in order to keep these streams for free for you guys, I have to follow YouTube's rules, right? It cannot be incentivized. And I don't plan to do that. I plan to abide by YouTube's rules. That's why when I do the giveaways, I tell you, YouTube is not associated, affiliated with these giveaways. It's just my way of saying thank you, right? And everybody have a free chance and an equal chance, right? That's why I would do it like that. Well, Servian, that is if you're hedging. That is if you are long and short on 2 different accounts at the same time. Right? I don't hedge. I don't go, oh, let's just long 5 accounts here and short 5 accounts there before CPI. I don't do that. All right, that's hedging. No prop firms would allow that. Like I was saying, 辛苦晒。你喺香港定係邊度？ Oh, this pop drop algo is really frustrating me. I kind of don't want to stay here because I don't like pop drops. I feel like a reversal is coming soon. Like they're gonna, try to grind it back up here, but if they do a drop down here, it won't be surprising. The measure moves around this 580 mark here, but I just don't like sticking around for this pop drop. I mean, like a little reversal back here will be nice, but the 5-minute is really bear flagging hard here. Well, Boney, technically you can go long and short on 2 different prop firms. I don't recommend it. I don't do it. And I don't think you should either, because that's really not trading. That's just like, oh, let's see which one works, right? And mentality wise, it's not good for you as well. So I wouldn't do that. I personally wouldn't do that. Sounds like time for lunch. Let me see what I should order here, man. Actually, not that hungry right now. Maybe I'll wait a little bit. Just want to ask, what is the new login? There's no new login, chat PK. It's the same login. Right? Go back to your email and you'll find the login to email. Is it too slow after the gym? Thanks for the stream. The problem trader 808. After I finish this trade, I may just clock out too. It's just I don't like this grind down action either, so. 魚蛋粉冇魚蛋食嚟做咩？魚蛋粉就係食嗰粒魚蛋。魚蛋粉冇魚蛋咪就齋河粉。 Is everyone having their water? I have been. Yo, can someone just get like a pop candle green and like boom up to 740 or something? You know? Let's get some kind of catalyst. You know? We're getting a great deal. Iran really wants a deal or something like that. And we go up here. Why can't we just do that? Like this grind down thing is very boring. We need some kind of catalyst. You know, that the Fed may look to, you know, actually, you know, cut rates or something like that. Some kind of catalyst. Oh, there we go. Trader Bless gonna get his eval involved to move the market. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're moving. We need more trade. We need more of those evals. Trader Bless. All right. We're getting a little slight pump. Not enough. Not enough. Is that right, Orlando? I'm literally yawning right now. Literally yawning. You have to copy trade all your evals to really move it. That 15-minute looks really bad, guys. Look at this 15-minute, man. I mean, like, we just straight down, press it down here, and look how bad this is on the 15-minute. Just nasty. ES having a little pump, but NQ is not participating. Look at this. What is it doing?
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
One more swipe, rotate, one more eval. Now NQ is looking weaker than ES. ES is pumping and NQ is coming down. So far, NQ printing a red day. If you have to choose lower, yeah, probably. It's just that I'm already in this long here. If I flip it and they do a little bump here, it's gonna hurt more. So if this one doesn't make it, I rotate to another eval, so it's fine. A lot of buyers sitting on book map. I mean, they can pull at any time. So all right, rotating.
Order filled.
This is brutal action, guys. Brutal grind down action. Your break time is over. Gotta get back to the road. Drive safe, man. 400 miles to go. Man, Bill, may the Lord bless you and send his guardian angels with you. Safe trip for you, man. Drive safe, man. God bless you, Bill. Our contract style is 762 up here. I mean, that's far away.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Let me go back to that account. This one got saved.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, price today is my Fund Futures 25K rapid, but sometimes I don't mention it and Jimmy just administers it. But today we're giving away the 25K my Fund Futures. Giveaway 3 today. We may do one more for the new for everybody, like not just newcomers today, because I'm probably gonna wrap it a little early today. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Apparently, you like these kind of price action? Not for me. This is like Asia moving action. I don't like that. I need the big up, big down, big up, big downs kind of stuff. So,
Order submitted. Order filled.
making other trial sponsored by Mary. If we can hold above this low here and punch through this 695 area, it's possible we start grinding back up in this direction. Okay, because if they're going to balance ahead of CPI, okay, we may just come down, grind up, maybe try to go for this previous breakdown zone here, 720, 740, and then a little chop, that kind of stuff. All right. So you have to make a choice what you want to do here. You just here for the vibes? Well, God bless you, Bonnie. Can you guys hear me? I think my power just short circuited. But I do got some backup powers. Can you guys still hear me? I gotta go reset my tripper. I'll be right back. All right. Glad I have backup power. If I did not have backup power, then the stream would have went down. So time too long. It's up to you. We just made another lower high here, so I mean, I still got one more contract here, but they're just doing a lot of these pop drop stuff.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, let me order some here. Man, the store I want to order from, I think they're not open today. What? No, the store is closed today. Boo. You just ordered a tuna bowl, poke bowl with egg rolls? Interesting. What a weak market today, guys. What a weak market. Gap up, selling off. Something like a few weeks ago when they had the semiconductors coming down. Feels like it right now, right? Gap up, sell off, gap up, sell off. So could this be another start of a more significant pullback? This action feels like it. This action feels like it. Okay. Right now, you know, on the daily chart, printing a massive bull flag here. If we break below this 29200, that's going to be a lot more dicier. It opens up the halfway of this mark, which is 28,500. And if we do that, let's say we come here, maybe a shoulder has shoulder here, inverted head shoulder. So maybe the market needs to digest this massive pump in 4 days. And yeah, Kevin. So I just want this to pump a little bit more. to wrap it up, but ordering my Uber Eats. VIX is at 15.37. Not really. I mean, we do have risk to the downside because, I mean, like not a lot of people are buying puts right now. If you look at the put call ratio, so there is a risk to that. People don't buy puts, but they don't think they need to hedge, right? They don't think it's worth it. But that's the time when you actually want to buy it because it's cheaper. If you want to hedge. $12.19. Man. Let's do one more draw and wrap it up, guys. I don't think I'm going to stay here for this. Tomorrow CPI, if you want to have some... I'm going to use CPI to try to pass some evals tomorrow. If you want the max discount on your evals, use the code FSP. And you're going to get the max discount. Amazon selling hard. Google coming down hard. Nvidia coming down hard. Q's having a pullback day. So, you know, I mean, it's CPI is tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Not too exciting. Not too exciting. I don't stream for CPI in the morning. I stream afterwards at 9:30 like usual. Okay. Just gonna lock in that take profit payout, right? And so to go, let's do two more giveaways. Two more giveaways today. And you can use one word to describe the market action today. All right. So I'm gonna give you guys 60 seconds to do that. We'll do the last draw of the day. All right. Use one word to describe the market action this today, or you can use one word to describe your trading action today. Same thing. Doesn't matter. All right. This giveaway is not associated with YouTube. Just my way of saying thank you for being part of the community, okay? The official rules are written in the description. Everybody's welcome. Free to join, okay? Are they going to break the lows finally? Let's see.
Order submitted.
Are they finally going to sweep the lows?
Submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, 30 more seconds and we do the draw.
Order submitted.
See what the winners are. 2 more today.
Order filled.
Vista and Green Snow Trades, congratulations on winning. And make sure you go inside the Discord underneath claim giveaway section to claim your giveaway. All right, Vista and Green Snow, congratulations. Go inside the Discord underneath claim giveaway and follow the instructions there. And if you didn't win today, no problem. We'll probably give away another 5 tomorrow after CPI prints tomorrow at 8:30. Okay. After a downtrend of that long, I'm expecting like a push at least into the 720s, 740s, but they are taking such a long time and they don't have to do it. They don't have to do it. Been working on this eval for the longest time. It needs about like $500 to pass it, but they just keep on doing long time here and just can't get a pass. So we have to just wait. All right, 6 more minutes. 12:30 is my last cutoff here. If it doesn't do anything, just gonna call it. Right now, ES looking bearish on the 5-minute, and ES is trying to pop a little bit of divergence today. They're not following each other. Triple Q's at 718 now, so. Amazon steady selling. All right, swept the lows. Swept the lows. Finally swept the lows. Does it hold or does it go lower? Swept the lows. I gave the market an ultimatum. I'm like, NQ, 12:30, I'm out. And then it sweeps the low.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, so close, but it's so slow. Keep on moving this triangle because it's taking so long. Yeah, it looks it's this boring day today. This grind down from this high here. I'm looking for like a balance back up, but they've been taking for a long time. Probably gonna get a pop eventually, but it's just been very boring day. Locked in a payout, got over 4,000 to take profit. Gonna request it tonight when they update. So, but so far pretty boring day, you know. I mean, look at this. Like, every pop's been sold for the past 2 hours. Like, normally we get a little pump back up here, but they're just acting. No, I can't do it. Like, why? I'm not even asking for a lot, you know? Just a small little, like, 20, 30 point pop, you know? Like this massive downtrend break here. We should be up here at 720, 740. I mean, we don't have to. We don't have to, but on a balanced day, that's what you expect. Oh, wait a second. I passed this one. Oh, I need $40? Don't tell him that. Nice. Finally passed this one. Oh, man, that took a long time. And I got another one here, too. This one. Oh, that took the longest time, man. Seriously. Selling. Nice. Steady. Come on, don't stop. Just go. Don't think. Just go. Can anybody convince NQ for me here to not just think? Just go. Just tell NQ, say NQ, don't think. Just go. Just go. It's been 2 hours. Don't think. Just go. Don't worry about anything. Just go. Because I am not sure if I convinced it pretty well. I mean, I need someone else to convince it for me here. You're doing good. Just go. Don't think, man. You're not going to pull back. Everything good. Downtrend break. Upside. Good job. Okay. It's like 20 points. You need motivation for NQ, you know. Joyful NQ, don't think, just go. Not working. Look at this. Oh, man. All right, if you're going to do that, NQ, I'm out. I already passed that account. This one needs another 700. Sing for NQ. Anybody can sing for NQ here? Why don't you do it, Green Oil? Anybody got bored of this pop drop for the past, 8 hours here? Or... Right, Trader Bless? I keep on saying I'm going to have to wrap it up, but then it entices you, you know? It's like, oh, no. I did pass one. But this one, I was close to passing. If we get one more pump, I would have passed it. But it keeps on doing these like.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
You've been saying for the past hour, Versace? Could that be the reason why it's going lower? Did you stop singing it, or? You kind of like it? Your shorts are working, Trader Cat? There you go. There you go. At least some of you guys are banking. Yeah, the hammer on the 5 minute didn't do anything. If they invert the 5 minute hammer, that's gonna be pretty bad. I mean, ES is still grinding lower. The market is selling off ahead of CPI, so we got PPI coming too. They're expecting bad numbers. You want straight down, not grind down? Okay. I want straight up. No grind up. How about that, green oil? 直上直衝，唔好停。Look at this 15-minute chart, man. Like, look at these algos. For the past, they activated the algo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 straight down red candles. I mean, look at this algo, man. What brutal action here.
Order filled.
Come on, come on. Just go. Just go.
Order submitted.
Come on, come on. 150. 150 more. Nice, nice, nice.
Order submitted.
So on. Come on, come on. Oh,
Order filled.
nice, nice, nice. I need $6 more. Please do not stall here for $6. I don't want to look foolish.
Order
Nice.
filled.
Boom! Pass another one. Not gonna do it. Did take profit. Last one here. Man, last one. All right. Sell one more here.
Order filled.
And this one,
Order canceled.
gonna lock in 2 payouts to take profit today. This one took a long time, man. This one took a long time, man. I'm gonna do a stealth stop here. If it breaks below here, I'm done for the day. All right. So if you don't want the stream to be done, just ask NQ not to take out that stop there. All right. NQ, take out that stop on this Take Profit Pro. I'm just gonna lock in 2 payouts today, and I'm gonna be good to go. All right. So good to go. Good to go. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Moving the stop loss higher. Gonna ensure a payout in case they reject here.
Order filled.
Boom! Another $1,000. Another $1,000 payout. Tonight, gonna lock in 2 payouts with take profit. Gonna lock in this one. That's why I love take profit. You gotta try take profit, guys. If you have not tried take profit, I locked in $4,200 on this take profit on a brand new fund, a 50K account. Right, and then that one is a 150K account that I just locked in. So tonight I'm gonna lock in 2 payouts. This month that I got $4,200 after the what do you call it? Static threshold. Right, I'm gonna request 4073 minus 2,000. It's gonna request 2073 plus this 1,000. That's 3K. 3K requesting tonight, and it's gonna be instantly paid to my wallet, guys. On a chop day like this, you gotta call it, man. On a chop day like this, you gotta be like, you know what? I'm just gonna take this 3K today and request it tonight and call it good. Right? You don't do something stupid. You don't do something stupid and try to add on to it. No, I want more. No, I want more. You don't do that, okay? Elizabeth, I'm new here. Really enjoy trading live with you. I'm new to futures. I've been trading options for a few years. When you trade, are you trading? Yeah, I'm trading prop firms. I trade futures also. I trade options also on my Interactive Brokers account. But on this live stream, I trade mainly futures. All right. All right, guys. So right now, we're going to do the most important part of the day. That is we trade together, we bank together, and we pray together. The reason why I'm not going to keep going is because you already saw the market. Look at the ATR, right? It's not doing anything. It's waiting for CPI tomorrow. It's waiting for PPI for the rest of the week. The market is going to just chop around, slow grind, Asia kind of move. I'm not going to stay here for that. All right? I passed 2 accounts, got 2 payouts. Going net green is all you need to do. That's it. If you got some red and you got some payouts to cover for that, no problem. You're net green. Right? Lock it in when it's on a day when it moves more, whatever. Then you go back in. All right? So make sure you stay for the most important part of the day. Because trading is good, but something's more important, and that is your eternal soul. One day at a time is all we need. But Jesus says, abide in me. For if you abide in me and I in you, you'll bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. One trade at a time, one day at a time. And so is a walk of faith. And so let's join our hearts today and seek the throne of heaven. Heavenly Father, we thank you. We thank you for this day that you've given us our daily bread. And this daily bread does not consist only by means of physical providence, but it's the health you've given us, the great family, the community, the local body of Christ, this community here online, and all the goodness and grace that you've given us. And even though the world has a lot of tragedies with the recent earthquake in Colombia, may you protect the people there, especially your people. Help us, God, to renew our minds and fix our eyes and our gaze to heaven. For we do not live for this life alone, for we live for your everlasting kingdom. So Jesus, today we ask for your grace. We ask your blood to wash us clean, to protect us. Protect our coming in and our going out for our families. And may you answer the prayers of your people who are crying out to you. For you alone, by whom prayers are answered. We trust you. We believe in you. And we lift up your name, Jesus, the name above all names and the King of all kings. And so may this Lord bless you and keep you. May he cause his face to shine on you and be gracious to you. And may he turn his face towards you and give you peace. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Have a good night, guys. See you tomorrow at 9:30. Remember, if God is for you, who can be against you?
Jesus, you calm my soul. Lead me where waters roll. Restore my heart again. Guide me through every bend. Jesus, my shepherd king. In every valley I cling. Goodness and mercy stay following me each day. You set a feast for me, even where fears may be. My cup runs over wide. Your blessing at my side. Jesus, you keep me near. Drive out my every fear. Your presence makes me strong. With you, I still belong. Jesus, my shepherd king. In every trial I sing. Goodness and mercy stay, leading me all my days. Jesus, my shepherd king. Oh, in every trial I sing. Yeah. Goodness and mercy stay, leading me all my days.